go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden.
Alright guys, Kwanzaa here, and today we're going to be learning synthetic division. So synthetic division is used on polynomial equations. So for example, in this example right here, it says x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of 3 plus 9x squared minus 13x plus 12. So um, right here, it's very conveniently already made the synthetic division little, I guess, chart or whatever, but you can easily draw it yourself. So you could either do it like that, or sometimes I like to do it like this, and then you put your factor outside here. So in this example, the factor would be 3, because for y to equal to 0, x would have to be 3. Therefore, the factor is 3, as right here, it says right here. And then, so inside this little bracket, I guess, um, you would put in the term before your variable, and if there is no variable, just the term, just the constant itself. So, like in this example, the number before x to the power 4 is 1, the number before x to the power 3 is -5. Remember to put these in order from like the highest degree to the lowest degree, and that's how you're going to put it in. And if let's say the equation is missing a degree, so if it was x to the power 4, and then it was minus 5x to the power of 2, and then it goes into minus 13x and then plus 12, right? So right here it skipped a degree, right? It skipped uh, degree 3, number 3. So what you do is you change the equation into x to the power 4 minus 0x to the power 3, plus 0x to the power 3. So what you did right here is you added the missing degree to fill it in. Minus 5x squared minus 13x plus 12. So the only thing changed is that you added a plus 0x to the power of 3 to the equation, and that is to fill in the missing degree. Okay, so back onto this. So -5, and then we do 9 because it's in front of the x squared, and we do -13 because it's in front of the x, and finally 12 because it's constant. So you might be wondering what you put here. First, we're going to start it with the bottom, okay? So very simple. You see 1 here, you bring the 1 down. It's always like this. The first number you just bring straight down. You don't have to do anything else. And now, second answer, what you do would be you do 1 times the factor, or the number you brought down first, your first number that you brought down, times your factor, which is 3 in this example. So 1 times 3 is 3, and then you do -5 plus 3, because this is not a minus, this is a plus right here. So this would be a plus right here, okay? So -5 plus 3, and that would be -2. And you do -2 times the factor again. So whatever number you bring down, you multiply by the factor. So -2 times 3, what is that? -6. So what is 9 plus -6? 9 plus -6 is 3. Very simple, right? Now let's keep on going. So 3 times 3 is 9. And what is -13 plus 9? -4. And what is -4 times 3? -12. And you'll see right here, we'll always end with 0 as the final, because we would have 0 as the remainder, because we're dividing it by a factor. And if you remember what the factor theorem is, if you divide it by the factor, it will always give you 0 as the remainder. And then so you would rewrite the equation like, so let's do this step by step. So since we figured out the first number is still 1, so x to the power of 3. So you go down a degree, because this was once the 12 was once the constant, but now the -4 is a constant. So you go down 1 degree. So it used to be x to the power of 4, right? So now the highest degree is going to be x to the power of 3. And then so you do x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. Just like that. And that is going to be your finished answer. Just click submit. Yeah,